Ever cracked your knuckles and been told it's bad for you or that it's your bones grinding? Well, prepare for a scientific revelation. That satisfying popping sound isn't the sound of bone on bone at all. Instead, it's caused by the rapid formation and then the immediate collapse of minuscule gas bubbles within the synovial fluid. This fluid acts as a lubricant for your joints, allowing for smooth movement. When you manipulate your fingers, you create negative pressure, causing these tiny bubbles to appear suddenly, and the crack is the sound of their implosion. So it's more like a tiny internal fizzy drink suddenly going flat inside your fingers. Fascinating, right?